How to create profitable webinars from PLR content, everything you need to know. In this video, we're going to show you how to create profitable webinars from PLR content so that you can overcome the most common challenges and get your business on track. Hey guys, my name is Grace, and in today's video, we're going to talk about webinar marketing because it's becoming more popular day by day. If you want an easy way for guaranteed success on your online business, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and enable the bell icon for notifications of new content. Without any further ado, let's dive into today's lesson. There are some really important things you need to know before jumping into this type of strategy, but don't worry, I've got all the answers right here for ya. So let me take a second and walk you through what exactly we'll be learning today. Webinars are a great way for you to sell your high-ticket products and services. They are also a great way to promote other people's high-ticket offers and make high commissions. You can create a very appealing webinar presentation using your high-quality PLR packages from plrhouse.org. Do not use any PLR to create your webinar presentations. You need to provide your webinar attendees with the best quality information. Unfortunately, most PLR is low quality and not suitable for the task. Your attendees will not be impressed with a poor webinar presentation, and they will not make any purchases that you recommend. Benefits of webinars. There are a number of benefits to creating a webinar presentation. Here are just some of them. You can sell or promote high-ticket products and services. You will be perceived as an expert by your audience. A good webinar will be viewed by hundreds or even thousands of attendees, increasing your chances of success. You can partner with high-ticket product owners and create a webinar around their products for high commissions. There is no hard sell involved with webinars, it is all show and tells. People are used to making high-ticket purchases when attending webinars. Now that you know the major benefits of creating a webinar presentation, you need to be prepared to put in the time and effort to make your webinars great. It is essential that your webinars provide value to the attendees and are engaging for them. You must provide value. When someone is considering giving up between 1 or 2 hours of their time to attend a webinar, they are going to think to themselves, what's in it for me? Your webinar needs to provide value to the attendees before you pitch your product or promote someone else's. The most appealing webinars answer the burning questions that people have about a niche. If you are in the make money online niche, then you could create a webinar presentation about traffic generation, for example. Most online marketers struggle to generate the traffic that they need for their online business, so this would be popular. At the end of the webinar presentation, you will pitch one of your products that is related to traffic generation, or a product from someone else where you can make a hefty commission. If you have provided great value before this point and answered some important questions, then it will be much easier to make sales and commissions. Very few people will watch a YouTube video for an hour or longer, but they will attend a webinar if they think that the host will provide the answers they are looking for. The good thing is that a webinar is interactive, and the attendees will have the chance to answer questions. This is not possible with a video. As you are going through your webinar presentation, you can request your attendees take small actions. This can be anything from typing something into the chat box to completing a short online poll or survey. The reason that you want to do this is that it provides the chance for your audience to interact with you. It also gets them into the habit of taking action, which can help them to click the purchase button at the end of the webinar for your offer. Plan your webinar. You always need to plan your webinar. Off-the-cuff webinars have been tried, but they are never successful. The exception to this would be a well-known niche celebrity making a guest appearance on a webinar. For the rest of us, it is about planning. If you do not have your own high-ticket products and services, then you need to find offers from other people that have high commissions. Once you have found a good offer, then you can plan your webinar around this. Webinars for the Make Money Online (MMO) niche are very popular. At plrhouse.org we have a wide range of high-quality PLR packages in this niche that you can use to create a great webinar. You are sure to find what you are looking for from our great range of products. The more value that you can add to your webinar presentation, the better, so don't rush it. If you are going to create a webinar presentation in the MMO niche, then it is always a good idea to add case studies and other social proof that backs up what you are discussing. So, create a plan for your webinar presentation and include everything that you will need to make it the best. You can watch other webinar presentations to get some good ideas. A good plan will save you a lot of time in the long run. Creating your presentation slides. You can create some awesome webinar presentation slides using the content from your PLRhouse.org high-quality PLR packages. Plan out what you want to say in each of your slides, and then look for the relevant content in your PLR package. Your webinar presentation slides are very important as they will provide structure to your webinar. A good webinar is well organized and keeps to time. You want to reveal one important point at a time with your presentation slides. This will help to provide focus to your webinar and keep your attendees engaged. One of the first slides needs to present the problems that you are going to address. Then it all needs to flow well from there. Go through your PLR content and create headings for your slides and main points. You can refer to your PLR content as you are giving your webinar presentation. Avoid cramming a lot of text into your presentation slides. This will be overwhelming for your attendees. Your slides need to contain single sentences, which convey the messages that you want to get across to your attendees. Don't read the content from your high-quality PLR word for word either. Your attendees will be able to tell that you are reading from a document and will not be impressed. Use your PLR content as the basis of your presentation and write your own notes around this as prompts for you. You need to create an enticing title for your webinar. Your aim is to get as many people to attend as possible, so use a persuasive title. The best webinars average a 20% conversion rate, so it really is worth spending the necessary time to make your webinar great. Create your first webinar from high-quality PLR content. Webinars are great marketing tools, and when you get them right, you can make a great deal of money. You need to use top-quality content to create the best webinar presentations, and PLRhouse.org has all of the high-quality PLR packages that are ideal for this task. Be prepared to put in the necessary time and effort to make your webinar really great. Find the best products to promote and partner with others so that you can all win. You will never regret creating your webinars from top-quality PLRhouse.org PLR packages. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.